Hi everyone, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and we are doing a review on the, I think, 4 or 5 blocks that I was able to finish up here in the last 24 hours. The first one being Union Square, and by the way, we are discussing Civil War Sampler by Barbara Brockman, and we're going to be doing number 34, Union Square. And we already told the story about it on my previous video, so here we have a finished Union Square. You like that one? Somehow it looks different, but it's the same. No, I think you're right. The corners are different. Oh, for goodness sakes. Well, anyway, it looks pretty close. Next one is The Right Hand of Friendship. Now that one I know is right on the money. So here we go. Right Hand of Friendship, and we put the stripes in the corners on the diagonal, just like this one down here, and this one. Right Hand of Friendship, that is number 36. Number 37, Fort Sumpter. There you'll see the fabrics that I was going to use on 34, and now we're using them on 36. Is that right? 36? No, 37 is Fort Sumpter. I like it though, because in the story it talked about the cannon fire is the red, the beige square is the fort, and the water surrounding it in blue. So that's why I changed the color, so it would be more reflective of the fort standing on a bit of an island with water all around and the cannon fire attacking it. Then we go to number 38, Railroad Crossing. This is where they were both Yankees and Southern were both occupying towns that were railheads. Now, so here is the railroad crossing. It's also the railroad crossings were generally where the river heads were as well. So here's our railroad crossing. Then we also have Kentucky Crossroads. Oh, this one's the one about the rivers. Good grief, got them mixed up. So the last one was about railroads, and this one's about rivers. And so the blue is to signify the rivers, and then where they cross, self-explanatory. So that is number 39, Kentucky Crossroads. Here's is about Sam Houston, and it sort of looks like there's 4 T's with their bases meeting in the middle. Oh man, those T's are not matching. I may have to take that apart. See how where the lines cross in the middle is not quite straight. Well, we'll see. We'll fix it. So those are our October installment on the Civil War, starting with number 34, Union Square, skipping over Courthouse Square because we did that the time before, then the Right Hand of Friendship, the Fort Sumpter one, Railroad Crossings, which was where the railheads were, Kentucky Crossroads, which is where the rivers were controlled, and Texas Tears with Sam Houston. All right, we're done. We're gonna now. Next time we pick this up, we'll be close to Thanksgiving. So there's our quilt. They're all pretty much uniform. I think of today's grouping, I think this one's my favorite about Fort Sumpter because it sort of looks like a fort made out of rock or brick or something, but probably was a wood stockade for all I know. But you know, I just love these stripes. I like the 4 T's. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. God bless. Have a good weekend.